come to Mommy.
Come to Mommy. Go forward.
Show Mommy how you drive your bike. Whoa. Watch, watch the wall, or the edge.
Back up. Back up. Yep. Use your pedals.
He says, I just learned how to pedal forward. Can you, here, come on, come back to Mommy. Come back to Mommy.
Put your feet on the pedal. Nope, go forward.
Here we go. Oh, where you going? Come on. Whoa. He's got reverse down pat. Yeah, you gotta come see Mommy.
Do you want to go see her?
No, you're done?